Salutations from the International Academy for Spiritual Healing. In order to support our efforts and get updates on more fantastic content, kindly like and subscribe to our channel if you found this video to be educational. Today, we explore the intriguing connection between education and Vastu Shastra, and how this age-old architectural science might improve learning and intellectual development. In order to foster wealth, well-being, and spiritual development, the ancient Indian architectural science known as Vastu Shastra places a strong emphasis on the balancing of natural components and directional alignments in our living and working environments. Vastu holds that a student's focus, memory, and general academic performance can be greatly impacted by the arrangement and architecture of their home or study space. Through the application of Vastu principles to space arrangement, we can establish a setting that both fosters and supports academic endeavors. According to Vastu, the northeast direction, which is linked to the element of water, is very fortunate and promotes study and spiritual development. Orienting a study table or space in this way can help with focus, mental clarity, and intellectual growth. Maintaining the space tidy and clear of clutter allows good energy to flow freely, which is beneficial for academic achievement. Another important direction for education in Vastu is the east, which is controlled by the sun. It is thought to provide wisdom and insight. Studying with your back to the east can help you stay focused and retain the material. Putting study tables and windows where they will receive natural light would improve the learning environment even more. Learning that is steady and disciplined is related with the west direction, which is linked to Saturn. Students that study in this path can become more persistent and consistent in their academic endeavors. Better concentration can be facilitated by including natural elements like plants, which can also add to a serene and inspiring environment. Vastu also stresses the significance of keeping a study space that is well lit and ventilated. Enough natural light and air can help with stress reduction and mental clarity, which will boost learning in general. The study space should not be filled with bulky furniture or storage units since these can disrupt the flow of positive energy and give off a heavy, distracting feeling. By incorporating Vastu principles into your living or study area, you can establish a setting that promotes general well-being and academic performance. Please leave a comment below if you have any concerns about how Vastu can affect education or if you need special help putting these principles into practice. We are available to assist you in your spiritual and academic endeavors. I appreciate your seeing. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening videos on spiritual well-being in Vastu Shastra.